Have you ever dreamed of following your passion, of ditching your day job and becoming a full-time professional trader? Well, we've launched the ultimate product that will not only change the trading landscape forever, it could elevate your trading journey. Welcome to the Ultimate Capital Allocation Program. Welcome to Axi Select, a platform we've meticulously designed to guide your trading and support your success. We'll give you up to $1 million and a 90% profit share to supercharge your trading journey. That's right, you can trade with our money for free. We don't charge a registration fee. We don't charge monthly fees. It's 100% free. We'll also provide you with the structure and support you need to flourish. Because at Axi, Trade Your Edge isn't just a strapline, it's in our DNA. All you have to do is get an edge score of 50. This is a unique metric developed by us using 15 years of advanced analytics from over 100,000 trading accounts to assess trading performance. To generate enough data to get an edge score, you'll need to make 20 trades with us. And to view your edge score, just log into your Axi client portal. Once you've generated an edge score of at least 50 and have $500 of equity in your Axi Select trading account, you'll qualify for the seed stage, from where you'll advance onto incubation, acceleration, Pro 500, and eventually Pro M. It's our mission to get as many of you as possible through to the Pro stages. To progress through the stages, you need to increase your edge score. 60 for incubation, 70 for acceleration, and 90 for the Pro stages. Once you're in a stage, you must complete a set number of trades over a minimum number of days before you're eligible to advance to the next stage. Our only trading restriction: you can't lose 10% or more of the funds in your allocation account. But don't worry if this happens, because unlike other capital allocation programs, we won't immediately close your account. We give you 3 attempts before that would happen. If you do breach those rules, you'll go into quarantine, where we pause trading in your capital allocation account for 2 weeks while you regroup, although you'll still be able to trade in your Axi Select account. The Axi Select program is like no other in the market, and here's why. We'll be allocating up to $1 million to the very best traders who would take 90% of the profit share. Sound interesting? Here's how it works. At seed stage, you put in a minimum equity of $500 into your Axi Select trading account, and we'll put in 10 times this into your allocation account, up to a maximum of $5,000 to get you going. At this evaluation stage, you wouldn't be entitled to any of the profit share of the loaned capital, but to help you trade your edge, you'd get access to the live trading room, where you can share ideas and get daily market insights from some of the best trading brains in the world. You'd also get access to the dashboard, which provides you with performance metrics, funding calculators, open positions, trade history, and the leadership board all at a glance. At incubation stage, you have to have a minimum of $1,000 in your Axi Select trading account, and we'll 10x this in your allocation account, enabling you to trade with up to $20,000 of our money. You get to keep 40% of the profits of the allocated funds. At the acceleration stage, your minimum equity would be $2,000, and we'd fund you up to $100,000. Your profit share is now 50%. At the Pro stage, your equity remains at $2,000, but we'd fund you up to $200,000. That's 100 times your initial capital, and your profit share would be 70%. In the Pro 500 stage, you can unlock capital of $500,000 and keep 80% of the profits you make. And finally, prove yourself at the pinnacle of the Axi Select pathway on Pro M. Here, Your minimum equity would be $4,000, but we can fund you up to $1 million. And you can keep 90% of any profit you make. We all know the score. Becoming a successful trader over the long term is not easy, but you'll never know your true potential unless you take these next steps and discover whether you have the edge. Join the trading revolution. Get started with Axi Select now.